Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who might be new here and just stopping by, I am a full-time working mom of 4 young children, and I make a lot of videos on fashion, beauty, and a mommy lifestyle, including my recent reselling journey on Poshmark as well. Basically everything I love doing in my life. So if that sounds at all interesting to you, please consider checking out my other videos linked down below, and also consider subscribing as well. So for today's video, I have my monthly series on what's in my Ipsy bag. So my Ipsy bag unboxing. And this month, of course, is July. So I'm going to cover what I got in my July bag. I just got this in the mail a couple of days ago. So I'm super excited to jump into this. For those of you who aren't aware, Ipsy is a monthly subscription service where you get 5 beauty products to try out every month. So I've been having a lot of fun with this subscription service. I've been a member for a couple years now, I'd say, and I look forward to getting this beautiful glam bag every month. Just a little pick-me-up in the middle of the month, and it's fun to try out new products and brands as well. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this bag, definitely keep watching here. So I'm going to go ahead and just break open this glam bag. And just so you know, this video is not sponsored at all. I just wanted to share with you my personal love for the service. And Ipsy really has no idea who I am, but I just wanted to share you the finds I got in this. So I'm pulling out my monthly bag, and it's just gorgeous. And you know, I haven't opened up any of the emails or mailers as usual, so I have no idea what's inside this bag, so I'm really doing a true unbagging for you. But every month, of course, you get the beautiful cosmetic bag. Look at this month's one, it's just gorgeous. I love this leaf tropical print. I know it's pretty trendy now, especially this leaf pattern, but I love these colors. I'm going to be going on vacation in a little bit on a road trip, so I'm definitely looking forward to taking this. Probably going to take the kids to Disneyland, so I think this would be perfect for little odds and ends just to throw around in my bag. I love the pop of kind of corally pink color here too. So let's go ahead and open up. Let's see what's inside. First, I want to pull out the little mailer or flyer here, and it just kind of tells you a little bit about the bag. It's called Dive In this month, and it has summer products and tells a little bit about the products as well, which is really cool. So I don't want to really see what's inside, but it tells you a little bit about every product. So I'll reference this as I'm going through my bag. So I'm just going to pull out the first thing here, and looks like it's a hand cure. It's called Oseki Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cure. Look at the packaging, really, really beautiful. And let's see what it looks like. I'm just going to open it up here for you. According to this guide here, it's an ultra moisturizing hand cure in Black Forest of Dreamlike Fantasy, it says. Oh, it's a Korean skincare product. It's a K-Beauty brand hand cream. It's infused with jojoba seed oil, some moisturizing hand cream, and it smells like a bouquet of fresh peonies. I love peonies, so I'm excited to try this. And that's all it says, but let's give it a try. It's a perfect purse size as well, which is also why I love Ipsy. You get these little small, kind of generous sample sizes, I'll say. Here's what the formulation looks like. It feels like a typical hand cream. It's on the thicker side as well. So this is really nice. It's more of a fresh scent, I would say, with a slight hint of peony. Definitely not overpowering. And unlike a lot of hand creams that have a really strong scent, this, I think, is a little more subtle. So my kids and husband, oftentimes when I'm in the car and putting on lotion or hand cream, will say, man, that thing smells too strong, you need to put that away. But this one I don't think will bother them much. So yeah, it's a nice little hand cream. And as I said before, I'm always looking for these little purse trial sizes of hand cream, kind of like lip products. I think I collect hand creams as well, so excited to add another one to my collection. Let's see what's the next thing here. I'm just going to pull out, let's see, it's Feel, it says Mindful. It's a soothing mask. You're supposed to apply it onto clean, dry skin, leave on for 10 minutes, and then wash away. It's probably sealed. And I won't open this one just yet because I have a lot of masks I'm working through. I probably don't want to open this quite yet. But according to this, this is a soothing mask that is infused with energy clearing Palo Santo essential oil, mushrooms, lavender, chamomile to help soothe and calm sensitive skin. So it's for sensitive skin. I'll give this a try. It's a nice little sample size. I might take this on my upcoming vacation, and if I have a second to try to use this, I'll try it. That's what it looks like. And the next item is this really beautiful container here, and it's the Ciate London, and I'm sure you've probably heard that brand before. So again, you do get some nice brands in this bag that are very trendy now. It's the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Love watermelon. This looks something I'm gonna really enjoy. So of course the British Beauty brand, it says, and it hydrates, refreshes, preps your skin for makeup. You're supposed to smooth this on as a primer and helps boost your glow, makes your makeup last longer. And there's also some watermelon infused black beads that dissolves and it blends onto your skin. So I'm sure this is also sealed up. Well, actually it's open, so I can smell it here. It does smell very much like watermelon. And I don't typically use a primer, as I said in other videos, just because I need my morning makeup routine to go really, really fast, just because I don't have a lot of time. But I think I need to start using a primer, especially a hydrating one as I'm getting older. My fine lines and wrinkles are starting to set in a little bit more. So I think I need to try to start adding a primer to my routine. This smells amazing, just like watermelon. So I'll try this. You can see the little watermelon infused beads there as well. So the watermelon primer. Just love the packaging. And then I have two more products. So next is from a brand that I definitely know. It's Smashbox Cosmetics. And this is their Always On Liquid Lipstick. And let's see, the color is Babe Alert. And of course, Smashbox has been around for quite a while now, and it's from LA, I believe. And it has a built-in primer oil to keep your lips hydrated and soft. It's a nude rose shade. And yeah, looks like something I'll enjoy. Actually, I realize I still have lipstick on, so I'll just swatch it a little bit here. So it goes on really smoothly. Nice little applicator here. And I haven't tried their liquid lipsticks, I don't believe yet, so kind of see how this goes. I do love this color. There's what it looks like in the jar there, container. And here's the swatch. So it goes on very pigmented, and this is a really nice shade, a little bit of a rosy tint, and I think it'll look really nice, especially going to work. I want to wear a little bit of a darker lip sometimes, so I think that'll go really well. That's what it looks like. It's a really beautiful color, and I'm imagining it'll be long wearing as well because it's a liquid lipstick. So yeah, I'll go ahead and give this a try. You'll see me wearing this, I'm sure, in future videos as well, and let you know what I think. And then I just have one final product in here, and it looks like, of course, a nail polish. I have a lot of nail polishes, but as I said before, most of the nail colors I use now really are from my Ipsy bags. I don't tend to go out and get manicures much these days, really because there's just no time in the day to go and do that, to be honest with you. I probably need to make more time for myself and do those kind of things, but it's been hard. So I tend to just do my own manicures or nails, and it's good enough. I mean, it's nothing spectacular, but you know, it works for me. So I do like getting nail polishes. This is the Trust Fund Beauty company or line, and the color is Where's My Money, which is interesting. Here's the container, the box. And let's see here. I think I've gotten another color from this company as well in a previous box, and I think I might have gotten the similar shade. Actually, I might have gotten the same thing before in another Ipsy bag. I'll have to go ahead and check in my collection of nail colors, but I do have a light lavender shade like this, but I'm not angry about it because I do actually like this color. I think it's a really nice color for the summer, of course, and it's not too in your face, I think, to wear to work. So actually I may change out my nail color to this one next. So you'll probably see this on my future videos, but I do really like this color. It's kind of a lilac, very light lavender pinkish shade here. I don't know if you can get a sense of the color there. So pretty nice neutral overall, I'd say, with a touch of a purple tone. So yeah, I'll go ahead and give this a try as well. So this was a pretty good bag. I will say, I think I'm actually really going to use all 5 products. Oftentimes there's a product or two that I really don't think I'll use, so I pass it along to a family member or friend, or I just don't use it. It just kind of sits here, to be honest with you. But all these products I'm excited about this month. So it's a good bag. I love the bag too, just gorgeous. I'm definitely going to be using this as well, especially for travel. So there you have it. Those are my 5 products from my July Ipsy bag. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some ideas to what I got in my bag. And let me know down below if you had any really cool products this month that I might need to check out in the future. If you have any questions about these products, please don't hesitate to leave them down below as well. And if you haven't done so already, if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel as well. Otherwise, I will plan to see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.